Hey, so now welcome back to the video where they try to create Slack from scratch. For the previous video, we don't already talk wetin we will do, and for this video, wetin I want to be say all the errors we'll get for this video before this one. Now I want to use this video take fix. If you never watch those video, if you go watch those video before you watch this one, or if you just want to see what they do, then you don't need to go watch this video if you just watch this one. So what could go to the code. So what we'll do for the last video, we say we don't already set up all these things. We don't get the set password, we don't type for inside the input controls, and we don't get all this don't they work. But we still get some errors. First, we get two errors here. We get find DOM node, the way they deprecated, and we get this. Which one be this one? Okay, a component is changing and not control input type. Okay, this one now interesting one, so we'll fix that one too. So, and also this password now and a password field, and people know supposed to see when they type our password. So all these things now we could use this video to take solve. So we could first start from this one, this component on. So why this one be? All right. Okay, so for the state, the only thing we'll get for here now username, so we don't get password. So that thing we they try to set, there for state, and we won't make them a controlled, component. So we'll set them here and just make them none, and make a command this one too. Now make them none just to make them say now empty. So why this one still be from? Why this one still be from? Yeah, why is it coming from that? So what thing we get for here, if we refresh here, it should be empty. Yeah, it's empty. All right, I don't know waiting up for that place. All right, so now we don't get them here and everything empty. We set the password and we do them. All right, so waiting you talk again, value warning on input should not be null. Okay, so they say we no make them null, so we just maybe now make them everything just make them empty, so that error could come out. So it's still the load, the refresh. All right, so we don't get one error now, which is this one. So now first, if we now one of these inputs or this this input here, this one just normal input and no be this field, so I suspect say now this button, and this button they come from semantic UI, semantic UI React. So we'll go where we go get those form, because I just want we'll get those form where the form. Yeah, the form. Oh, I'll go press wrong thing. So form, here we'll go. So we get two options. If you use them like this, or if you just use them with this normal form tag and this. So what I'll just do is I'll just copy only this button, because the style go there. Then try them again. All right. So with the progress, that error don't go. But the problem now, they tell us say we talk about class, because we use this class here. And for React, if you want to, make React passes this class where you get for your tag, then you need to call them class name. So we could change this one to class name. We just change them to class name. All right, so all the errors don't go. This one it talks a button defined, but it's never used because we define out here and we come out them. So I go delete them. All right, we don't delete that one. We could see. Okay, so the console they clean and nothing there. So now the next one we say with the type here, with the fit edit, with the fit change the state, and here our password still they show. So we could fix that one. So to fix that one, we'll go W3 school. And when we go W3 school, we could just look enter here. We will look for HTML, because now HTML that one they happen to it. So go HTML, then it will show us, we dey look for input tag, because now input we dey deal with. So we then look for input tag, input, where input there, types. Okay, now input types, and what we need, okay, input types, and what we need for here now password. You see, input type password, so we need to put them as password type. Then we don't need to do anything. The browser will just know, say okay, any value they put for there, then you no need to display them. So we could try them. So if I type for inside here now, I'm not supposed to say anything. You see, nothing we need to do, just put in the type. So yeah, and our stuff they work for here. We type this thing. But now when we finish, now when the user click this one, we're supposed to get those values from state. How we want to do that one? Button gets also another method, another event we will be listening to, which is on click. So we will just put on click, and this on click will be the method we'll go put for there. So we'll talk say login user. So this one a method we will call. So we'll just equate this one. See now, because we don't already put them say now password, the browser now they knows okay now user and now password field it is now like input stuff it is. So the browser now they ask if we won't save them. So I just put never. So I will just call this one. I don't need to pass them anything, but I need to pass this event because I don't want to make it they reload the app when we click this one. If I click this one, you see they reload down. So I need to prevent default. So I'll say event dot prevent default. They talks okay when you click this button, no do waiting the browser, the default way they're tossing me the browser do. So we just do this one. Then what we want to do now, we just need to do log dot this dot state. So if we get these things for here, like I try them now. So we say fella and admin the password. You see, we get them now. So if you do anything we like with them. So yeah, good. So for this place now, where we go stop now, we'll stop for here because I know we made the video too long. So for the next video now, we'll come see how if you take carry this password with the user don't put here, then connect them, make requests to the backend, and try to see if we authenticate the user. Of course, we never do a lot of things. We never do how to sign up and all these things, but we could just do this one first. All those ones will come later. Later.